What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have smart light panels. Now I know these are some popular panels, the little Hexagon lights. I know Govee have some, there's some other companies that have some, but right now we have these in the office. And let me cover this because Amazon be tripping sometimes when you post it on Amazon. They be like, information. So there goes the brand right there. Here goes the specs right here. All right, so there you go. The cool thing about this is it's app controlled, you guys. So you don't need to use one of the cheap remotes that, you know, a lot of light products come with. Let's go ahead and get into it. As soon as we open the box, we have these pads right here. So there goes the remote. As you know, when you get the remote, you have to take the slip off that separates the battery into the grid. So now the battery should be hitting the motherboard and now the remote should work, but we don't have nothing hooked up yet. So why am I playing with a remote? I don't know. All right, we have power source, you guys, and guess what? A company actually put a block in the box. So they call it a gaming light. If you blogging or you're a blogger, then you can use these lights to put it behind you. Boom. Right there. Oops, sorry. Go back, go back, go back. Show the people, show the people. There you go. 3.5 inches. So we are going to take them all out. You know, when I looked at this, I really wasn't paying attention to the size. It looked like you could hang these up by screws as well. Got hookups right here. All sides have hookups. We have connections right here. All right. I'm pretty sure that this is the double-sided tape. These are pretty thick. These little clips right here. All right, so this is the front of the panel. The back side is supposed to face up, okay? And then you stick it in. At least that's what it says. I'm going by what it says. Seems hard to fit in. You really got to push it in. All right, I'm going to leave it like that right now. Let's go ahead and hook this thing up, you guys. I don't want to waste no more y'all time on this. I want to give this out to y'all so y'all can see if y'all want this or not. Also, the link will be in the description, you guys. Put the USB in. All right, you guys, I got it plugged in right now. So let's see if this works. I'm going to hit on. All right. I made a mistake. I had this backwards. You see here, right here, it says adapter. What? Am I upside down? Am I upside down on y'all? So right there, it says adapter. Okay. So on this one, it says lamp right there, LED. This get hooked up to the lights. This get hooked up to your power. If you try to do it backwards, you will be like me, frustrated for almost 10 minutes until you see this. Lamp goes into the lamp, and we're going to stick it on the bottom part right here. And there you go. All right, you guys, so we did get the light working. Well, I got the light working, but I guess it went off a pairing mode. I downloaded the app, but I didn't really sign up yet, so I'm not going to use the app right now. Right now, I just want to go over the remote, just in case you don't want to download the app. All right, so right now, we're going to turn it on. All right, I turned it on, and right beside on is auto. So I'm going to hit auto. And auto is basically coming out with different colors, different style of the way the colors go in front of it. So you see it does different things on auto mode. All right, so you could go mode plus and mode, oh, cool. You could go mode plus and mode minus. So if you tap mode plus, and these are bright too, you guys. And then mode minus. I never really was into mode minus and mode plus like that, but I'm just showing you guys. Me personally, I use the same lights all the time. I like purple, I like blue. So I use the same lights all the time. Maybe in the future I'll change it, but let's just go to colors real quick. So this is supposed to be yellow. So a lot of lights are like this. So right here you have yellow. Well, I know y'all can't see that, but we have yellow right there and blue. What is that, black or purple? Let me see. Okay. Okay, so that's dark purple. Okay. Pink. I use this color a lot as well. What is this? Blue? Okay, that's blue. Sorry, you guys, it's dark in the room, so I could barely see. Green and red. Now, y'all see what I say about green? I'm gonna go back on green. You see how green looks, and then I'm gonna go on yellow. Yellow is like a light green to me, but that's to me. Y'all can let me know what y'all think. Let me go to pink again. All right, I'm gonna go and dim it. All right, so you can go up and down on your brightness. So now we are at a lower brightness and it's not stressing out the camera. As you can tell, y'all can actually see it now, but when I was fully bright, so that's because of the lens of the camera, the light going into the camera lens and stuff like that. So for the people that knows about camera lenses and stuff like that, then you know what I'm talking about. All right, so I'm gonna change the brightness all the way down so I can stop stressing y'all out. Okay. Now you have RGB. I'm gonna hit R, G, B. All right. So basically red, green, blue, in which you could just hit red, green, blue here. So why do they have that? I don't know. All right. And you can dim it as well. But more than likely, I will dim this, you guys. I'm not going to keep the brightness all the way up. That's how it is in my whole room right here. Everything is on dim. All right, we got W right here. What is W? Okay, that's a white light. All right, color. So we hit color right here, and I'm gonna hit color again. Okay, so you could change colors right there also. All right, you guys, so we have downloaded the app, and I want to say the app is so simple, you guys. I mean, it's simple, easy. Y'all know me, I will use the app more than I will use the remote. Basically, this remote will be going into the drawer with the 1,000 other remotes that I have. But if you want to just turn it on, you do have your power button right here. So let me wait until this focus in. Come on, focus. All right, so I focused y'all in. All right, so basically you have your power on. We're gonna hit power on, and there goes your power. You can change your brightness right here. So if I want my brightness to come down some, oh, and the color moved by accident. So if I want my brightness all the way down, I slide it. If I want my brightness all the way up, I slide it back. I want my brightness down, and then you could go to whatever color you want to go to, and the response is quick. So let me go to yellow real quick. All right, go back to red. So on here, responds so fast. All right, so there goes that. All right, so you have color card combination. If you want a little color card, just to tap the color that you want to make it quicker and easier, you can do it like that. Or if you want combination, click combination and then hit 1. And then it will come up with a combination for you. Let me hit this one. Now it's not doing too much on combination because I believe I have to set up my hex in a different tab on here. All right, so we have island blue. Oh, I just went to the painters thing, you know, the thing that people use paint with, the painter board or whatever you call that thing. Artists know what I'm talking about. All right, so right there you have island blue, Glacier Express, Sea of Clouds. So that's if you want to be, you know, getting into all of that stuff, you guys. It's a whole list of stuff, and I'm definitely not going to go over everything right there. But there you go, right there. Or you can just do DIY and do your own thing. Nothing came up for DIY, so I'm not even going to get into that. All right, I went to music. Now they have a section where you can do rock. Can I hit play? Nothing is playing, but I believe that it reacts different when you're on rock than when you're on jazz. It might react different to jazz. So let me see. So it's not playing jazz music, but I believe if you're playing jazz music, it may be better on that mode, probably going by instruments. So jazz, classic, scroll, energy, and spectrum. All right, and I keep going back, my bad. But the app is pretty fast. I actually use this app with a few more products that I have. So yeah. All right, so this is light strip length. So you can set the length of your light strip so the system will know when you do like edit each one, you can do all of that. So I will probably figure that out later. I'm really not into that. Me, I will be right here. I'll go here and I will go to color, and then I will put it on that, and that will be it. So anyways, you guys, that's it with the app. Nice, simple, easy. The link to this will be in the description below. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I be reviewing cool new products to the channel.